what else do I have for this little job? Well, I have a inner timing belt kit. This is for the crank cam, not for the fuel pump. The fuel pump timing on mine has been done. The fuel pump belt has been changed about a year ago. It's been mapped. I do not want to mess with that at all. But this is what the timing belt kit looks like. It's the same for the AJT as it is for the ACV and a couple of the other A-whatevers engines. That is the part number over there. So let's take a look inside this inner timing belt kit. And this is for the crankshaft end. This has a 122 tooth timing belt. The fuel pump side has 81 teeth. This has 122. And then it should also have the tensioner pulley, which it does. And additionally, it has the replacement crankshaft bolt, and it has the bolt to attach the idle tensioner pulley to the engine block. It does not have, by the looks of things, the diamond washer. No, it doesn't. The diamond washer is an essential piece of this whole assembly. That washer there that comes on this bolt is not a diamond washer. So I have ordered the correct diamond washer from this supplier. So let's crack on and get on with this